here from elementaryschoolassemblies.com, Chris Johnson's Amazing School Assemblies. I want to thank you so much for visiting the Memory Madness webpage. The Super Student Memory Show. This program could literally be the most important assembly program your school ever brings in. I know that sounds like a lot of hyperbole, but this program is designed to teach kids simple memory techniques, which makes memorization of facts and figures and grammar and vocabulary and all kinds of things so much easier. And as you can tell by what I'm wearing, we don't take the program too seriously. We make it into a game show with several contests throughout the show, silly memory techniques. Basically, we make a homework memorization technique for your kids that is super fun to do. And at the end of the program, we have students face off in the ultimate memory challenge to see just how much they retain during the show. And it's not uncommon to see a kindergartner beat a fifth grader. So, get some information about Memory Madness, call my office, and bring possibly the most important assembly program to your school.